Hey guys, Jessica here with Billings 365. First, I wanted to say thanks for listing your business with us. We're so pleased to have you on the site and to have your business in front of our audience who's specifically looking for things to do in Billings. First, I wanted to point out a few places your business can be found. On our homepage, we pull in 4 random listings up top, and those will change out with a page refresh. If we scroll down a little bit further, we have promotions and deals and food and drink specials pulling into the homepage. And if you scroll down a little bit further, we have social media feeds from those of you who are in our directory as well. So we have Facebook and Twitter feeds coming in here to our homepage from all of those businesses listed in our directory. Of course, your business can also be found under the directory section, under the category that your business falls under. And then we have a few special sections. For example, promos display all of the active promotions from our directory. Drink specials are all of the Monday through Sunday drink specials and happy hours that businesses have listed with us. And dining specials, same thing, Monday through Sunday food specials listed on our site and from our directory advertisers. So now, to update your listing, you'll want to start up top here with this account icon. Click there and log in using your email address and password. If you need to reset your password, you can click here and it'll take you through the steps to do so. So when you log in, you're taken to your account information, which you can update if you need to. You can change your password if you need to. To update your listing, you'll want to come over here to Your Listings. And to edit your listing, you simply click on Edit Listing, and you'll see all of the fields available for your listing on Billings 365. Your business name, you can select the categories, you can add a slogan, you can add images, and you'll want to put a 1200 by 300 pixel header image and a 400 by 400 logo. And that, as you can see on MetroPark's listing, displays as such. You can also add up to 5 snapshots. So if you wanted to show the interior of your business or some of your food, if you're a restaurant or something, you could put those there, and those display on your listing as well. You can also embed a YouTube or Vimeo video here. Update your address details. Input the Google Map URL so that it embeds a map on your listing. And then your description. So put all of the details of why someone should come to your business in the first place. What's special about it? What is something fun they can find there? Anything that might attract someone to your business. You can put keywords. So anything you think people might use to search for your place of business on our site, you'll want to put into the keywords. You can add your hours of operation. And you can put in your social media and website links. So you'll want to put in your website, your Twitter URL, Facebook, YouTube, Yelp, and Pinterest. And then you can set up 4 custom links for your directory listings. So in the case of MetroPark's listing, you can see here they have events, tickets, rent a facility, and Montana Fair info. So you'll just copy and paste the URL for the page you want to send people to on your website, paste it in here, and then set the title for that link. Once you've got all of the changes made that you want, you hit submit, and then those will display on your listing. The other thing you'll want to do is make sure your promotions and specials are up to date. Specials are meant to be food and drink specials, so they're really best suited for restaurants and bars. Promotions are for everybody, and promotions can be a special contest, news if you're carrying a new product, or you have tickets on sale for an event, you're running a contest on your Facebook page, anything that you think is newsworthy or might get someone in the door, you can put in as a promotion. So if we click on those, we can see MetroPark has a couple of them set up. You can edit an existing promotion or create a new one. You just click on Edit Promotion, and then you input the title. You can set it as active or inactive. You can set the schedule for when you want the promotion to start displaying on Billings 365 and when you'd like it to stop displaying on Billings 365. So you don't have to remember to come back and take it off of your listing later. It'll just drop off. Then you'll want to input the description. How can people redeem the offer, or what is the information they need about the promotion? Specials work in a similar way. Create a new special and select the day of the week that it's valid on, if it's food or drink, and then the details about what you're offering for that day. You can also submit your events to us via our event submit form. It works very similar to the directory submission form. Input the event name, your website, the ticket URL, buy tickets or register as the label for that URL. Images are for events that are advertised with us, and if you want more information about that, you can find that under our About section under Advertise. Input the cost and the category. You can set a date for when you want the event to display on Billings 365, and set the keywords that you think people would use to search for your event. You want to put your listing as the primary listing, and then list any associated listings that you think the event should display on. For example, Alive After 5 is a downtown Billings event, so they would be the primary listing, but they may also want it to show on the band page, so they may be an associated listing, or the location could also be listed as well. The description of the event, and then the dates. And you'll want to add each individual date separately here. So you can add, if it's a multi-day event, you can add Friday, add another date for Saturday, and the start and end time for those dates as well. If you have information that differs for each event date, like special activities that are only happening on one day of the 3-day event, you can add those to the description here. You can add alternate locations, and if we do not have the location in our database, you can select Other as the location and then input the address over here. So once you have all the details in, there will be a Submit button here, and you can submit, and your event will come to us for review and approval. We will accept anything that's recreation or entertainment based. Anything that is a sale, we ask that you input as a promotion instead. Again, we appreciate you having your business listed on Billings 365. If you ever need any assistance with your listing, you can contact us via our Contact Us form, which is up here. Or you can always send an email to Jessica or Felicia. So Jessica at Billings365.com or Felicia at Billings365.com, and we'll be happy to help you update your information. Thanks.